Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google notebook for English class and how to save a file to your notebook so that you can work on it and so that I can see it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to drive.google.com. All you have to type is drive.google.com and it'll bring you to this website. Now your Google Drive is going to look different than mine. You need to set up a Google account, a Gmail, so that you can access this, and it should be an account that you only use for school so that it's a little bit easier to find everything. So this is my school Gmail account. So the first thing you're going to do is go to New and hit Folder. You're going to type your first name, which is not Jody, that's mine. So you're going to type your first name, last initial, and then ELA notebook. Once you've typed that first name, last initial, ELA notebook, you're going to hit Create. After you've created it, you're going to double click to open it. And then you can click the name up at the top here and hit Share. You want to share it with your English teacher. So if I am your English teacher, you're going to type jgoodmanutba@gmail.com and hit Enter. If I am not your English teacher and your English teacher is Mrs. Stead, you're going to type lstead.utba@gmail.com. Oh, there we go. So again, if it's Mrs. Goodman, it's jgoodmanutba@gmail.com. And if it's Mrs. Stead, it's lstead.utba@gmail.com. So whoever your English teacher is, that's who you type. Don't type the other teacher, just whoever your English teacher is. And then you're going to hit Send. Now that makes it so that I can access your notebook and check your grades in there. Now, how to actually open up a document. So each time you have an assignment to do, you'll get a link in class and it'll probably get posted to the home page as well. It might look something like this. This is our first activity in Google Drive. Now you'll notice that you can't actually work in here, and that's because I only shared the file to view, not to edit. So what you have to do when you open this link is you have to click File, and make a copy. Now you need to save it to the right folder. That's what's really important. So down here, you need to click back all the way until you get to My Drive up here. And then you should see your English notebook sitting there. Click Notebook and select. If it gives you the option share it with the same people, click it. If that option's not there, don't worry about it. And then hit OK. Now what that has done is it has put it into my English notebook. So sitting right there in my English notebook is my assignment. I can go in and I can edit it. Once it loads, it'll let me type. And my teacher can see everything that I put in here. You don't have to submit it. Your English teacher will be able to see it. And it's sitting right there in the notebook, so you can access it anytime. If you don't finish in class, you can always go back and finish it later. Please get your Google Notebook set up as soon as possible, as this is something that we're going to use throughout the entire year, and you're going to get farther and farther behind if you don't do it. Thank you.